Guys, this is Hector. Today I'm unboxing 4 Amiibos. And this is my second time unboxing 4 Amiibos again. Because I got this 4 Amiibos, I went to the marquee, up to the marquee. My name is on the marquee, so yeah. These 4 characters are Kirby, Diddykong, Peach, and DonkeyKong. First, we have Kirby. So here he is. Here he is. Kirby. Next, we have Diddykong. Whoa. So here's DonkeyKong right there. Next we have Peach. So here's Peach. Last is DonkeyKong. Here's DonkeyKong there. And here's all the 4 characters. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, comment, like this video, and see you guys next time. Bye-bye!